Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another shave review video. Today we'll be looking at Hendrix Classics, their Miami Nights soap and aftershave, and for our razor we're looking at the brand new Parker SoloEdge. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to take it from right here. All I've done so far is rinse my face with some cold water, and I have applied the Razor Emporium unscented pre-shave bar. You guys probably noticed I put it on, you know, like I'm holding a giant walkie-talkie and just moving it around, and then I really kind of invigorate and scrub with my fingers and my hands. So we got a nice pre-shave base. I wanted to actually film lathering up the Hendrix Classics. This will be my first time using a Hendrix Classics product, so I'm really excited. This is the Miami Nights, so I really love the label. It's one of the most popular ones we do sell, and I just wanted to have you guys experience lathering it up. All right, so I got my brush wet. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water on top of the product, and we're gonna go to town and see how this is to lather. Love the fragrance on this. Oh yeah, this is easy. I've loaded up my brush, so now I can go to my face and just face lather. You may have noticed I started with kind of a more watery consistency than you maybe would think, but it's almost always the case that artisan soaps can use a lot of water. Really making sure to scrub it around, work it in. So yeah, we got about 2 days of growth here. Very nice lather, very slick feeling and very nice, moisturizing. I'm impressed. Let's give this a go. All right, and as for our razor, really excited to have the new Parker SoloEdge. It's getting a lot of reviews and feedback. Let's unbox and experience it for the first time together. I just got these in yesterday. So it comes in a nice cardboard box. This is going to use half a double-edged blade. So what you do is you grab a double-edged blade. While it's still in the wrapper, you break it in half. And then you can open it and grab out half a blade. And then for this guy, it's just a traditional two-piece style. So this top part actually stays on there. The head stays on, which is nice. And I do see two little alignment tabs here, so I'll throw my blade on this. And then this is going to align here. And then you just turn the handle again. And it all lines up and all looks real good. So we'll go ahead and give that a shave. So here goes nothing. Nice. Took just a half a second to find the right angle. General rule of thumb, always start on kind of riding the cap on any razor and then kind of bring down as you are getting more comfortable with it. You feel the blade engage. Very easy shaver. It's nice, I like it. The Parker SoloEdge is a brass handle, and I'm 99% sure it's a zinc alloy top cap, and then the whole thing is bead blasted and chrome plated. So it gives a satin chrome finish. So far so good. And yeah, the Hendrix Classics is doing great. I'm really enjoying the slickness. Love the fragrance. I've been to Miami a couple times. I really enjoy that town. This is very, very pleasant. Yeah, this SoloEdge is just mowing down the hair. I'm enjoying this. I got loaded up a Russian Perma-Sharp. Always a good idea to do some skin stretching. Yeah, these razors that use half a double-edged blade are definitely gaining popularity. Seen a lot of stuff like this hit the market recently. For the price, I think this Parker is right around $40 US. It's hard to beat. Parkers are made in India. The US partner and owner of it is Howie Yoda. And I've been working with Howie for a decade. We've been buying Parker. And he's a good guy. Real big part of the shaving community. Parker is it's a great value brand and good performing products. The Hendrix Classics, owned by Pete Hendrix. I think we did a video on Hendrix Classics, but they're out of Nashville, Tennessee. He got his start in the straight razor world and kind of wanted to make a high quality artisan soap, and he's definitely done that. I'm impressed with the lather and the performance and the fragrance. And man, yeah, that is nice and close. I like it. Let's rinse off. Woo! Liking it. Feeling good. Good performance. Trying to remember the notes on this. It's definitely like a spicy, kind of fougere or musky. Let's finish off with the splash. Oh yeah, this is good. I always say you want to have that tacky kind of feel. When a good close shave, when you're done with the cold water splash, before the aftershave, it's got that almost like your finger wants to stick to your cheek. Like there's some suction almost because of how nice and close that is. So we'll throw on the Hendrix Classics, obviously with the matching label here. Oh yeah. Woo! Nice feel. I like it. I like it a lot. I feel like I'm ready to go out and party on the Miami night scene. Happy to finally use it. Happy to say that Pete Hendrix has done a great job making this product and the Rich Man Shave collaboration. And I think Parker did a great job with this SoloEdge. Nice performing razor, easy to load and use. So you just hold the head and twist, real easy to do. So if you've used Hendrix Classics, if you've heard of the SoloEdge, if you are a wet shaver and you enjoy our channel, tell me below in the comments. And if you do leave a comment, you are entered into win this, the official Razor Emporium Black and Blue t-shirt. Share this video with someone who needs to see it, and we will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.